Most people get this wrong. They think FundNow is just another instant cash app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that FundNow has developed into a full-featured financial platform, offering early wage access, short-term advances, and flexible installment options for managing larger expenses. Here's how it works. FundNow allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This makes it easier to cover unexpected bills or urgent expenses without resorting to high-interest credit cards. On top of that, certain purchases can be split into smaller, manageable payments, giving you more control over your monthly budget. The app is user-friendly. You can track advances, monitor upcoming payments, and analyze spending patterns all in one place. Notifications and reminders help you stay on top of your payments and avoid costly late fees. The downside, overusing FundNow can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly accumulate fees, so it's best used as a temporary solution rather than a long-term crutch. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Enable alerts to track upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on FundNow. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, FundNow in 2026 is a practical, flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable financial tips to stay in control of your money.